Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. In this video, I'm bringing you another Agora models building tip. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to carpet your own interior for the Jaguar XKE. It's very simple to do, and let's do it. And welcome back. So here's my interior on the Jaguar, completed with the carpet, and I thought it turned out very nice. I was going to go ahead and flock the interior, so I actually bought the tan flocking material and the flocking tube that is used for flocking, and I decided not to do that. I decided to go the other route and purchase some carpet for this. But what I did basically is I cut it out myself, and that's what it looks like. You can see here's the cover that's removable, and then you have the cover for the spare tire that's also been carpeted, and I think it turned out very nice. So let me tell you how I went about doing this. So of course you need to take your interior and disassemble it, and then this is the complete interior after stage 10, so we only have 2 stages left. And you need to take your front seats off, the center console off, the brake pedals and throttle pedal assembly, and of course take off your wheel well covers on the sides. And I took this back part of the car off also. And there you go. What I did in that process was as I took the screws out, I went ahead and put them back in place where they would go, so I don't get all the screws mixed up. And I did that on the side pods and for the center console and such. And that's how it was prepped and ready to go. So let me show you the materials I used for this. And remember, everything I showed you, you can buy it on my Amazon store, and I put a link in the description below for all these supplies you'll need so you can carpet this yourself. I have everything laid out here for the supplies that you need, and you'll definitely need a fine line marker to scribe your templates. And how I created my templates for the carpet is this very thin gift wrapping paper, and you can find that just about anywhere, but I'll put a link in the description below on how you can find that. But the key to it is this velvet sticky backed paper, and you can see how that is. It's got a sticky backing to it, and you can see how very nice this velvet is. This is a tan color, comes in all different colors, so that's very nice there too. And like I said, I put a link down below on how you can order this. Actually, I got a whole lot of this stuff. After I finished making all my templates, I only had to use 1 sheet to make all my templates for the seats. So let me get all my templates out and I'll show you what they look like. These are the templates I created for the front floor area, the driver and passenger side. And I took the gift paper and I just basically laid it down on the floor and I scribed it with a pen. Now of course it's not perfect. I had to make some trimming on the actual felt paper, but it turned out okay. These are for the front wheel well, footwell areas, and they are very close to what I needed. And of course this goes behind the back bench seat, and they turned out very well. And here's the templates I used for the center console. These were put on the sides, and of course I had to do some trimming on those too, but they turned out very good. And here's the templates I created for the back luggage area and the spare tire cover. As you can see, I just these were probably the easiest to do because all I had to do was lay those components down on top. And then here's, of course, the spare tire cover. Same thing. That's all I had to do for that. So they turned out very well also. And lastly, these are the templates for the wheel well covers in the luggage area. And these were fairly easy to do. Like I said, you had to remove those and you just wrap these around it and then draw your template out and then cut them out. Turned out very well in this case. A lot of times all I had to do was make one side and then copy it for the other side. So once these are created, then I'll show you how to lay them down and cut them out. So once you get your felt paper laid out, you want to have a flat surface, a surface that you can trim on with either an X-Acto knife or some scissors. You want to go ahead and lay it down on the opposite side. This is the side the felt happens to be on the other side. And then when you lay your template down, you want to do the same thing with it. Notice I marked them left and right. So you want to reverse it. Go upside down with it. And then find a straight edge if you want, and then take your marker, your fine point marker, and draw around it, just like that. And then you want to have a really good pair of sewing scissors. I recommend these Fiskar scissors, and cut them out with that. Or, like I was saying, you can use a really good X-Acto knife for that. In this case, I have this really nice X-Acto knife to do that too. So there you go. It only took one sheet to create all the carpets, and this is all I have left from that sheet. Of course, there were some trimmings and all that were left over, but this is paperback. It simply just peels very easily. And has a very good adhesive on it. So I'll bring this over once again. I'm very happy with it, and I think it turned out great. So I hope this helps you out and prevents you from spending a whole lot of money on the upgrades for this. That's something, my goal with building these very large cars is not having to spend a whole lot of extra money on these, because they cost a lot as it is. And you know, if you're going to purchase more and more upgrades, that's entirely up to you. It's not something I wanted to do, but I think my carpet turned out really good for this. So here's a little close-up of how everything looks and how everything fits. Pretty cool. I like my carpet up front here in the footwells. I think they turned out great. And there you have it. That's how you can carpet your own interior on the Jaguar XKE. It took me about 3 hours to do this, and you definitely want to do this before you get started on pack 11 and of course pack 12. So I hope you enjoyed this very much, and if you like this video and you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for all video upload notifications, and give me a thumbs up. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.